Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please, I beg you, do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. We will be looking at AUD USD for this week. Now, let's start with the weekly time frame so you will understand this movement and why I will be predicting such movements this week. Now, what can you see? You can see that this is clearly a downtrend move, right? We see this as a drop, then a correction was played here, right? Another drop was this. I've highlighted this level. This level is very good to be useful for us. So watch out for it. A drop, a correction, another drop, a little bit of a correction. You can see it's our 20 period simple moving average. Then another drop has been made. After that drop, what do you expect next? A correction. So this correction has been made. So what next do you expect? Of course, another drop is going to be playing out on AUD Now, when you combine it with the fundamental aspect of the news we'll be expecting today, especially Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we will be expecting major news on the USD. And with this news, I expect DXY or USD index to see a good amount of a bullish move. So with that movement, if you will be getting a bullish move on DXY, I expect any other pairs against our USD should drop. So if DXY see a good amount of a bullish move, AUD to this our USD we are trading will actually give us a drop. Now take a look at this. We are currently at, you can see that price has also reacted to this level, right? Price has also reacted to the same level. When price broke this level, we had a correction. Price has now tested this level. So what next do you expect? Of course, another drop. You can see that a correction has been made that has tapped our 20 period simple moving average. So what do you expect? Another drop will actually be playing out. Now, before I get started, now to those of you that are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, I'll put a link to this my Patreon channel. Once in this channel, we major on Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500, gold, natural gas, and other currency pairs with good setup. Once I can get a better setup on any other currency pairs, I'm going to share to this channel. Now, let's come and see the trade that I've actually given out that we will be looking at for this week. You can see uploaded an hour ago trade for the week. I'm going to also be putting more setup on this trade, by the way. So once that setup forms, I'm going to share it on this channel so you can take this trade together. Now, see a couple of trades we actually took last week. You can see it's March 13 to 17. There are about 6 trades you can find there. About 4 of this trade you can find here actually profits. We actually made a good amount of profit. Though do we have a loss? Yes, we had a loss. No, or that's one thing about forex. You can't always have a win, but you have a loss. But the thing is that your loss needs to be minimal. You need to have a small loss. That is the thing. So we had actually got a good amount of profits here, and kind of add a little bit of a loss on this. So if you want to still see some of our trade we've actually taken, check this channel, which is the absolute trade. Check the playlist. You see, I've actually arranged some of those trades you've taken in the past, so you can watch it. Try and see if they actually match. So if in case you're interested, sign up to this channel. With just 20 USD a month, give it a try, then you get it. Now back to this my AUD USD. I'm expecting a drop as simple as that. So that is what I'm seeing. Let me see what this forward time frame is literally saying. So price has gone up. Let's see if in case one more movement will play out, which is very much unlikely, but we can't rule it out that one more movement on this forward time frame will play out. With that movement, I think it would be, if I'm not wrong, 35 pips. Still not much of a pips movement. We can't rule out that 35 pips of a bullish move will play out before AUD USD starts dropping. The goal is that AUD USD will drop, but let's don't, if in case you want to have your stop loss, have it above 35 pips. At least you'll be able to, you stay away from, getting stopped out.